Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Home Depot credit card. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, and before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. In order to do this, first of all, go ahead and open up your web browser. Once you open it up, search for Home Depot credit card login. You will see a website from Citi.com which says the Home Depot Consumer Credit Card Login or Apply. Go ahead and click on this link, and you will be taken into the login screen for the Home Depot credit card services. If you haven't registered your card yet, you can click on Register Your Card. In order to sign in, just go ahead and enter your user ID, followed by your password. You can also choose to remember your user ID, and if you need assistance to log in, you can click on Retrieve User ID or Reset Password. After entering your credentials, click the Sign On button and you will be logged in to your Home Depot credit card account. And that is how simple it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.